IDE versus text editor. What's the difference?
Both IDEs and text editors are essential tools for writing code, but they serve different purposes. An IDE, or integrated development environment, offers a full suite of features like debugging, code completion, and project management. A text editor, on the other hand, is a lightweight tool focused on editing plain text files, often with support for code syntax highlighting.
What is an IDE?
An IDE combines a code editor, compiler or interpreter, debugger, and other tools in a single application. Examples include Visual Studio, PyCharm, and Eclipse. IDEs make it easier to manage large projects, automate tasks, and catch errors early, making them ideal for complex or professional development.
What is a text editor?
A text editor is a simpler program focused on editing text files. Popular options like Sublime Text, VS Code, and Notepad++ offer syntax highlighting, search features, and customizable plugins. Text editors are fast, flexible, and use fewer system resources, making them popular for quick edits, scripting, or lightweight development tasks.
When to use an IDE?
Choose an IDE if you're working on large code bases, need advanced debugging, or require integrated version control and deployment tools. IDEs are especially valuable for languages like Java, C#, or C++ that benefit from more tooling and automation. They help manage complexity and streamline the development process.
When to use a text editor?
A text editor is best for simple tasks, editing scripts, or making quick changes across multiple files. If you prefer a lightweight and customizable tool, or work across various programming languages, a text editor can enhance productivity and speed. It's also a great way to learn the basics of coding without distractions.
Which tool should you choose?
Your choice depends on your project and personal preferences. Use an IDE for complex, long-term projects that need robust tools and automation. Use a text editor for flexibility, speed, and simplicity, especially for scripting or smaller tasks. Understanding both helps you adapt to different programming needs and workflows.